Menopause is an important change in a woman's life. It can happen about 45 years. Usually, women are considered to have reached menopause when they go full year without menstruating. It shows that women's reproductive stage is over. Its main characteristics are physical and emotional changes cause of a defect in hormone production. These changes can include hot flashes, night sweats, insomnia, vaginal dryness, weight gain, depression, anxiety, difficulty concentrating, memory problems, dry skin, increased urination, sensitive breasts. Women may also experience headaches, urinary tract infections, decreased muscle mass, and decreased bone mass, hair loss, increased hair growth in other areas of the body, such as the face, neck, chest, and upper back. But that doesn't mean you will experience all these symptoms. Menopause is different for every woman, and can last from months to years even. While symptoms may affect the quality of your life, it is important to remember that menopause is not a disease and life should not make you less enjoyable. There are some homemade medicines that can help you deal with menopause and control symptoms. Flaxseed is great to help you with menopause symptoms, thanks to phytoestrogen, a natural plant compound that can reproduce the effects of estrogen on the body and reduce hot flashes. Besides, flaxseed also improves mood and reduces muscle and joint pain. Just add 1.5 ounces of flaxseed to the ground for your oats, yogurt, soup or juice to enjoy the benefits. Vitamin E is very effective for dealing with menopause symptoms. It's also great for hot flashes, and because it's an antioxidant, vitamin E also fights free radicals that damage cells, reduces inflammation. Besides, it reduces the risk of depression, heart disease, weight gain, very common during menopause. To reap all these benefits, you only have to eat foods rich in vitamin E, such as wheat germ, almond, hazelnut, avocado, broccoli, oysters, pumpkin, sunflower seeds, spinach. You can also consume supplements, with a capsule during your meals, every day. However, always talk to your doctor before taking supplements. High doses of vitamin E may cause bleeding. Ginseng is an herb that can help with a lot symptoms of menopause. It reduces night sweats, diffuse thinking, memory problems, difficulty concentrating, and fatigue. It also improves the feeling of wellness and fights the effects of stress on the body. You can find ginseng as a powder, dryer or fresh, which can be used to make tea. It is also available as a capsule supplement, or even liquid extract. But don't forget to talk to your doctor before taking them, as they can interact with some drugs used to treat heart disease, blood pressure, diabetes and blood thinners. If you want to make ginseng tea, do the following: put 0.35 ounces of grated ginseng root 1 cup boiling water, and let it rest container closed for 30 minutes. Drain and drink twice a day. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an effective medicine for deal with the most common symptoms of menopause, such as headaches, sweating, and hot flashes. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of unrefined apple vinegar to a glass of warm water. Drink it twice a day until symptoms disappear. If you like, add a little honey.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.